Hello, welcome to Weight Loss Program channel. There are many common weight loss myths that people live by when it comes to their health. It is difficult at times to separate the weight loss myths and fact from what is true. Many sound true while others are just laughable. I once read somewhere that if you drink water at night that you are going to gain weight, or that if you scratch your head too often you are going to lose your hair. 1. The more weight that I have to lose, the more intense my exercise routine should be. Weight loss truth. Although having an intense workout routine is great, there are a few things you should consider, the first being that everyone is at a different level when it comes to their fitness and how much intensity they can actually handle. If you have been physically inactive for a number of years, an intense workout for you might be walking half a mile a day. After you walk that half mile, you notice that you are sweating bullets and that you are tired. However, for someone who has been physically active for many years, walking half a mile can be done without a sweat. Everyone has a different definition of what intense is. If intense for you is working out for an hour a day, but due to life's busy schedule you only have time for 20 minutes a day, then those 20 minutes will go an extremely long way. It might not necessarily be classified as intense, according to your definition, but those little cardio moments will have positive health-altering effects. 2. I can lose weight while eating whatever I want. Weight loss truth. Sir Isaac Newton once said, "What goes up must come down." There are natural principles that govern our lives. If you throw a ball up in the air, it is going to come back down. You can sit on your couch and imagine and visualize that the ball will staying afloat in the air, but natural principles teach us that it will come down. Same goes when it comes to our weight. This is one of the most common weight loss myths out there. It is illogical to think that your health and weight are going to be in balance if your nutrition consists mainly of Twinkies, chips, and donuts. Sure, you can burn it off by exercising, but most people whose diet consists of mainly junk food are probably not disciplined enough to stick to a workout routine. I do know a few people who, from the outside, look like they are in good shape, because they are not fat, but who have high cholesterol. Just because I feel sorry for crushing the hearts of so many Twinkie lovers out there, I would say this. You can eat junk food, cookies, chips, ice cream, pizza, burgers. All of those soul-satisfying foods, but it should be in moderation. Anything in excess is never good. 3. Skipping meals is a good way to lose weight. Weight loss fact. There are numerous studies that show that people who skip breakfast and eat fewer times during the day tend to be a lot heavier than who have a healthy nutritional breakfast and then eat 4 to 6 small meals during the day. The reason to this might be the fact that they get hungrier later on in the day, and might have a tendency to overeat during other meals of the day. 4. I will not lose weight while eating at night. Weight loss truth. You can overindulge in food during the day and not eat a single thing.